Tomorrow morning, on our Monday morning wellness call, we'll be talking about the macronutrients. I've sent out to you on another video the ditty about doctors. The best 6 doctors anywhere, and no one can deny it, are sunshine, water, rest and air, exercise and diet. Well, tomorrow we'll be talking about not micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, or macronutrients, fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, but we'll be talking to you about what I'll call macronutrients: sunshine, water, rest, and air. Well, here, this month, we've got a couple specials going on. I'm going to turn this on, my H2Fuel, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it generate, and you can see it doing that, electron-rich water. Hydrogen, negative hydrogen atoms, so we have electron-rich water, and I'm going to turn on my living proof system. I'm going to tell you about 2 what I'll call macronutrients that are on special. One, the FreshAir, and one, our living water system. Now, this is not a living water system, this is an H2Fuel, but it shows what the living water system does. I've turned on the living proof. Right now it's making smoke. It's filling up this room with smoke, particulate. And we're going to show in just a minute, once it fills up this room with particulate, this could be mold, mildew, pollen. I've got a couple people that called in just in the last week saying with this warm weather, they're already experiencing their allergies. This one is generating electron-rich water, just like our living water system would back there. Well, anyway, once I fill up this container with smoke, with what could be in our homes, mold, mildew, bacteria, pollen, animal dander, dust, dead skin cells, then what I'm going to do is, once this is filled up and this room is full of this particulate, just like our houses trap that kind of particulate in it, I'm going to turn on our radio frequency ionization, and you can see there's no fans, there's no vents, but the particles start to move together, and then I'm going to turn on the needlepoint ionization, and you can see them moving even faster, and as they move, we're charging those particles, they're dropping out of the air, and we took all that particulate that we were breathing inside that room, inside that house, and now we got rid of it almost immediately. Well, this month we've got a special on the FreshAir Surround. Buy a FreshAir Surround with a program called the Trade Up Program, get $150 off, and get a free FreshAir Personal. That's the little unit that you wear around your neck. Only 2 more days left. Take advantage of it. All you have to do that Trade Up program is have any air filter or purifier you've ever bought, take a picture of it, get a serial number on it. When you call in that order, get $150 off on a FreshAir Surround and get a FreshAir Personal with it. Then, we're making this electron-rich water. Does this do everything that our living water system does? Not everything. It doesn't have an activated carbon filter. It doesn't purify it first. But we're generating electron-rich water. We're generating negative hydrogen ions as they go through that water. And as they do that, you can see how we can have this electron-rich water. Many Major League Baseball teams have this water, our FreshAir system, in their locker rooms, so they can drink electron-rich water, so they can get rid of the mold, mildew, bacteria, even viruses like MRSA in locker rooms. And this month, 2 more days on special, our FreshAir Surround, and we just ended up taking advantage of this special. Buy 2 H2Fuel, get 1 free. So take advantage of the specials before the end of the month. Let people know that those macronutrients, sunshine, water, rest, and air, can have a huge impact on their health, their well-being, even their performance athletically, like on a baseball team.